regarding the prophetic tradition of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu, alaihe, there is a Nisaab on gold and silver. Could you explain that? And is it the same in both cases, gold and silver?
As far as Nisaab for gold is concerned, the Nisaab for gold is 85 grams of gold or 7.5 tola gold. That is, 1 tola of gold is equal to 11.33 grams approximately. So 7.5 tola gold is equal to 85 grams of gold. So if it reaches that Nisaab level or above this, and if it stays with you for 1 year, then Zakat is compulsory. Based on the Hadith of Muhammad Sallallahu, which is mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, in the Book of Zakaat, volume number 2, Hadith number 1568, where the beloved Prophet Sallallahu said that Zakat is on you, that is on gold, if it reaches 20 dinar. Zakat is not there if it is less than 20 dinar. If it reaches 20 dinar, then Zakat is fard. And 1 dinar is equal to 1 miskal. 1 miskal is 4.25 grams. So 20 by 4.25 comes to 85 grams of gold. So the Nisaab level for gold is 85 grams of gold. And again, it should be with you for 1 year. And the percentage of Zakat is mentioned in the Hadith of Ibn Majah, in the Book of Zakaat, Hadith number 1791. It's mentioned that Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she says that the Prophet used to take half dinar for every 20 dinar and 1 dinar for every 40 dinar. That means 1/40th of the portion, or in percentage wise 2.5%. So whatever gold you have with you, that 85 grams of gold or above, you have to give 2.5% of that gold if it's with you for 1 year in Zakat. As far as the Nisaab for silver is concerned, it is 595 grams of silver or 52.5 tolas of silver, and the percentage of Zakat is the same, it is 2.5%. A beloved Prophet ﷺ said in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, in the Book of Zakaat, Hadith number 1447, that Zakat is due on 5 uqiyah of silver. 1 uqiyah is equal to 40 dirham. So 5 uqiyah is equal to 200 dirham. And 200 dirham is equal to 595 grams or 52.5 tola. So if the silver reaches the Nisaab level, the Nisaab is 595 grams of gold or 52.5 tola. And the beloved Prophet said in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the Book of Zakaat, Hadith number 1567, that pay 1/40th. That means give 1/40th portion in Zakat. So even for silver, the percentage is 2.5%. So for gold and silver, the Zakat percentage is 2.5%. But the Nisaab level for gold is 85 grams of gold or 7.5 tola. And for silver, the Nisaab is 595 grams of silver or 52.5 tola of silver.